sleeping with the babysitter?
Don't act so surprised, Susan. It's your fault anyways.
She's 18 years old. You could be her father.
But we're in love, and love doesn't know age. Right, Mr. Brooks?
That's right, Julie. I taught you well.
How could you do it to me? I loved you.
Hey, Susan. What's going on?
Hey, not much. Thanks for asking.
You ready for today's game brief? They're gonna bring in a mobile game for us to test out.
Gin Rummy Stars, right?
That's the one.
Yeah.
Susan,
Yeah?
turn around.
Why, what's up?
Susan, will you look at me, please? What happened? Why are you sad?
My stomach hurts. I must have eaten something weird, but I'm okay. I'm fine.
It's Richard, isn't it? Did he yell at you again? Do you remember what you told me last time happened?
Susan! Where are my clean clothes?
I'm sorry. I totally forgot. I was working and I just didn't think about it. I didn't put them in the washer.
What am I supposed to wear now? Huh?
Maybe when I'm at work, you could wash them.
A man. Washing his own clothes. Are you nuts? I want you to do your job as a woman and wash your husband's clothes!
Richard, please stop! But this time it was worse.
What do you mean worse? Oh my God! Susan, are you okay?
Not really.
Susan, how long are you gonna put up with him treating you like this? Why don't you just leave him already?
Mary, I can't do that. It's not that easy.
All right, ladies. It's time to test out this new mobile game app. You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Follow me. Okay. You know what? I need to take this. Just keep playing, okay?
Okay. Okay. Before we continue playing, you want to tell me how you got that black eye?
I don't know if I should.
Susan, you can trust me.
Okay. It happened this morning.
Susan! I'm starving. What's taking so long in there?
I'm going as fast as I can, Richard. And we're out of mayonnaise, so you're probably gonna have to get some.
Can't you get it? I got cars with the boys this afternoon, so I'm not gonna have time.
No, I can't do it. I'm working 10 hours at the office. I don't have time to go get groceries.
Don't talk back to me, woman. I'm the man in this house, so what I say goes. You understand? I said, do you understand that?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Yes, my king.
That's my girl. I trained you well. That was good.
Thank you.
You know, I knew I made the right decision. Marrying you over all those other pretty girls. Now, you're not the easiest thing to look at, but you make up for it in a lot of other ways. Great cook, hard worker. Speaking of hard work, I hadn't landed another job, so I'm gonna need some more money.
More money? Richard, I just gave you $500 like last week.
I just gave you $500 last week. Well, I spent it. Would I be standing there asking for more if I didn't have it?
What did you spend it on? I pay for everything. The rent, the groceries. I pay for everything.
What I spent it on ain't none of your concern. Don't ever get in my business again about my money.
Richard, the reason why I ask is because you know my mom needs that heart surgery. I'm saving for that.
Not this again.
Richard, if she doesn't get it, she's gonna die.
So what? Isn't she like 100 years old? She's lived long enough.
She's not 100 years old. And I can't lose her. You know I can't lose her.
If you did lose her, you still have your husband right here for you. And that's all you need. Now give me some money.
No, Richard, I can't. I'm sorry. No, I can't.
Give me it.
Richard,
Give it up.
It's not your money.
I need
I
it.
said no.
Mom, what's going on?
Adam, get back in your room. It's between me and your mother.
Why are you fighting?
This in front of me.
Dad, get off of Mom! You're hurting her!
Susan, let go of the money or I'm gonna hurt you.
You wouldn't dare.
Oh yeah?
I cannot believe he did that to you.
I know, I can't either.
What did you do? Did you slap him back? So what did you do after he slapped you?
You hit me. I can't believe you hit me.
I told you not to question my authority. Now that's what you get for talking back. Let's see what we got here. 601. Not bad.
She needs it. Please don't take it, please.
Okay, fine. She can have some of the money.
$1? Richard, please. Please.
That must be the babysitter.
What babysitter?
I hired one. Because clearly Adam here is a spoiled brat.
Hello, Mr. Brooks. I'm here for the babysitting job.
Julie, hey. Welcome to my home. Come on in.
Oh, is this a bad time? I can come later.
My wife accidentally slipped and hit her eye on the counter.
Hi. It's a pleasure to meet you, Miss Brooks.
How old are you?
Oh, I actually just turned 18 yesterday. Still a senior in high school.
All right, that's enough chit chat. Susan, off to work.
And that's how it happened.
That's awful. I knew Richard was a bad guy, but now I think he's a monster.
Yeah. He is.
Susan, you know how in Gin Rummy Stars, the way to win the game is to pick the right cards?
Yeah.
But in order to do that, you have to get rid of the deadwood, which is what they call the cards that don't help you.
Yeah. Mary, where are you going with that?
Well, life is kind of like the game. In order to win and succeed, we have to get rid of the things that are holding us back.
So, what you're saying is that I have to get rid of Richard because he's my deadwood. And when I do, my life will be better.
Bingo.
So what do y'all think about Gin Rummy Stars?
It's so much fun. I love that I can play anywhere, anytime.
Yeah, we approve it.
Well, now I have a very important meeting, so you girls can leave early.
Thank you. Bye, Miss April.
So what are you going to do about Richard?
I mean, he is my husband, and he doesn't treat me well, but at the end of the day, I made promises in our wedding vows to be there for him, for better or for worse, right? Richard, I'm home early. I brought the mail. Richard? Richard? Is that you? Richard? Is that you? You're sleeping with the babysitter?
Don't act so surprised, Susan. It's your fault anyways.
She's 18 years old. You could be her father.
But we're in love, and love doesn't know age. Right, Mr. Brooks?
That's right, Julie. I taught you well.
How could you do it to me? I loved you.